Hi vitepos lover. It's the vitepos tutorial here. This video is going to show you the payment setting with Stripe payment method of vitepos. Let's get started. If you are new to our channel, then please click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. And if you are already a subscriber to our channel, then thank you so much for subscribing. For the payment feature, we have to go to the vitepos admin panel. Here we get the option to turn off payment getaways. If we disable the swipe machine, then it will turn off from the checkout page of the pos panel. In this way, also you can disable the other and Stripe payment method. For the Stripe payment method, we have to set up the Stripe settings. Go to the Stripe setting tab where you have to give the public key and secret key. You will get that information from the Stripe website. After giving all the information, click on the Save button. Now go to the pos panel and select some products and click on the Pay Now button. On the checkout page, select the Stripe payment method and then give the card number, date, and zip code of your card. Then, select the payment amount and click on the Pay Now button. After completing the payment process, it will show a receipt. That concludes our overview of the payment setting with Stripe payment method of vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.